Hi, my third grade mathematicians. Today we are going to continue to work on perimeter. The perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. In our lesson today, we're looking for the unknown, which is the length. We know the perimeter is 18 centimeters. One side is 4 centimeters, but we don't know the other side. So as I said, we're going to use the unit centimeters. So if this side is 4 centimeters, then this side also has to be 4 centimeters. To find the length of this side, we're going to first add 4 plus 4, which equals 8. We know that the perimeter is 18 centimeters, so we're going to say 18 minus 8, and that equals 10. Now, that means that these two added together, this side plus this side added together, is 10 centimeters. So we're going to say 10 divided by 2 because there are two sides, and that equals 5. So the length equals 5 centimeters. I can check my work by adding 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 5 plus 5 is 10, and that equals 18, so we got our answer correct. Now our next one, we have another one. This time the perimeter is 20 centimeters. One side is 7 centimeters. Now we're trying to find the unknown. We're trying to find the length. So as I said, we know that the perimeter is 20 centimeters. And if we know that one side is 7 centimeters, then the other side is 7 centimeters also. So we're going to add 7 plus 7, which equals 14. So we said the perimeter is 20, so 20 minus 14 equals 6. So we're trying to figure out what the length of each side is. There's two sides, so 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the length equals 3 centimeters. We can check our work by adding 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 6 equals 20. So our answer is correct. If you need anything else, let me know.